All right, coming out.
Take it off.
All right, take it off.
All yours.
That's how you do it, baby.
High rates is pretty sensitive.
I got a low base. Yeah, I got a low base. Here we go. Woo! Yahoo! Been waiting for this for 20 years, baby. Oh, I got you now, Grant. I'm calling you out.
That's the defense, Grant. That ain't me.
Bye-bye, Grant. You get left with the dog.
Hey, bring it in low and close.
That's defense. Bring it in low and close.
All right, I'm doing it right now. Hold on.
Over the grass, but closer.
Yeah, I'm doing it over the grass. I'm doing it right now. The trim is climbing a little bit. All right, here I come. Here I
That's
come.
really cool. Don't waste the film. I gotta get it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I forgot. I plane drink gas. Damn, that plane is fast. Yahoo! Hit that nose! That's all.
I don't think it can.
Make it go any lower.
Oh, I can get low, but I mean, it's not my plane though.
No, just making it go any
You got one
lower.
taking
Yeah.
off, Speed Fresh.
All right. What's up?
You got one taking off.
All right. I'm up high right now.
How's it flying?
I love it. It's the elevator's climbing a little bit. I got to trim it down some.
Okay.
2 clicks. There we go.
Yeah, get dancing. Yeah, there, roll is flying.
Woo! All right, full throttle. Woo! I'm keeping up with Grant again.
Okay, you got another one taking off.
All right.
Oh, that was massive.
Oh, the plane taking. Oh no! That's not good.
You got people on the runway. You got people on the
All right, let me
runway.
get it up high. Throw it back. That's Rudy. Oh my God. just gotta watch out for the fuel though.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. You got another about 4 minutes.
Okay.
He's going crazy.
Woo! Alright, let me focus, it's not my plane.
There you go, there you go.
So long, Grant. Woo!
That was a good one. Oh yeah, that was a good one.
I'm about to do another.
Bobby, shake and bake.
Yeah, shake and bake, baby. All about shake and bake.
Shake and bake.
Woo-wee! Lock on my knees now. Oh, whoa, oh. I had to move out of his way, man, otherwise I would have hit that plane.
Line up the land.
All right.
Yeah. Did it have a silver bullet?
All right.
Yeah.
I'm about to land in a minute. I'm gonna land right off the ground.
You will see it.
Land.
All right. I'm gonna land right after you. That was awesome, man. That was awesome. I'm gonna do a gear pass. Hey Chris, I'm about to land. I'm about to do a gear pass. Gear pass. I'm about to land right now, Chris.
Okay.
Landing!
Landing!
Mid flap. Woo. I'm back on high race right now.
Bring her right on in, nice and smooth.
I'm doing it right now.
You're all good, brother.
One way clear, one way clear.
One way clear. Go ahead. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. A little windy. It's all right. You're good. Right. You're good.
Motor just died. The idle's too low. Woo!
Good job, Daddy.
Yeah! Yes, sir! I got in this race. You gotta focus on the plane. Woo, yeah. I told you I can fly. Told you I can handle it. Yeah. I did it. My dream came true.
Keep her down a little low. Thank you, sir. Mustang from the right, and I'm not talking a model either. Mr. James Bohannon flying over for us with our little show.
I knew it would come.
How's that for a low pass for you?
That was sick.
Pavement smoking. Jets can go ahead and fire up. Fantastic.
Nice.
Coming ahead for Jason Hill with his
Jason Hill's in the house
X15.
with the legend hobby. Tomorrow's really, tomorrow's really, tomorrow's really.